Hello everyone, my name is Kasim Gondar, reading Wala. Today we are going to be having a talk about the TEDx of Imran Khan, uh, which has the title of Never Give Up on Your Dreams. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the main idea of this TED talk is that people who achieve victory have a quality of never giving up, meaning that if you want to achieve victory, if you want to achieve success in your dreams, then one thing you have to do is be resilient, never give up. Imran Khan tells his story of how first he had the ambition to become a cricketer, but he lost his first match, and many matches following where he lost in his first ball, and he was booed by this crowd. He even stated that this demotivation was very hard for him to go over. He even said that he was nicknamed Imran Kant, you know, because can and can't. And he also told how he started a political party named Tehreek-e-Insaf with some members who were confident about getting votes because he had a lot of people there who firstly they were just spreading their message across Pakistan, talking against corruption and stuff to get the support of the population. Uh, Firstly, they only had the ambition of just spreading that influence, but at the end of the votes, what happened was his party thought that they might win, but they ended up at the end of the election they didn't even get a single seat. He goes on to tell about ways of coping with failure, which include like not not seeing it head on, and also not getting advice from people because that will remind you of your failure, and the advice that they give, they usually always point out what you did wrong. uh, After this, he also advises us to not get demoralized by our failures, but rather analyze our mistakes. If anything, he views it as an opportunity to learn, to get better. And this is exactly what Imran Khan tried to become better. He tried to switch to fast bowling. Everyone told him he did not have the physique for it. However, he had an ambition. He states that the body follows the mind, and the mind is the power of a human being. He says that that the positive mindset is a thing that you will win, and the negative mindset is to be afraid of losing. He goes on to say why the fear of losing is the worst fear because he states that this fear is the main thing that prevents you from succeeding. He also there adds that the greater ambition you have, the more hard work you will have to do with no shortcuts. He said that this process of doing hard work is compulsory for building yourself so that you can perfect yourself. Well, you can be perfect, but you'll fall down, get up. It will improve you. He said that you will only lose if you give up. So victory we can only be achieved when you never lose hope. This is one of his most famous quotes that yeah, you lose only when you give up. Yeah, he gives the example of building the Shaukat Khanum hospital, where when he first opened it, was told that not more than 5% of the patients could be treated free. If they were, the hospital would not be able to function and would close down. Despite that, he overcame this obstacle, and by donations and his own earning revenue, the hospital managed to run with almost 75% free treatments. The hospital was awarded as a center of excellence by the world the WHO, the World Health Organization. Additionally, he also gives the example of creating a private university in a rural area in Pakistan, despite people saying it was not possible because it would not get many people, plus it would be expensive. Now he wraps this up saying that anything can be achieved as long as the right conditions are met. And he also adds that correcting Pakistan's political system, all the corruption is also possible if we try. So this speech of his was phenomenal. He really told us how our mental system works. His words were very motivating because he told his own story to give us an example of how if we keep working, if we keep a dedication, then we will never lose in our dreams. And yeah, it is all 100% possible that we will achieve our dreams, because some of his examples were at first everybody thought that they were impossible, but he achieved them. So with that, I will be concluding this TED talk, and goodbye everyone.